let's have a look at the sections here. So let's look at the footer options. Click on it. Okay, so you could add your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and etc. links on these fields here. So let's just go ahead and add the social links for Card HQ. And click Publish. Return to our home page and click Refresh. And immediately you should be able to see the icons for our Facebook accounts on the bottom right over here. Next, let's look at widgets. You can add widgets on the home page by clicking Widgets. There are 3 different areas which you could add different widgets. You generally add the footer over here. So let's look at footer area 1. Click on Add a widget. Say, for example, we want to add a widget which is a search form. Here, click on Search. You can give it a name if you want, or you can just leave it as it is. And you can see that the search box appears here. Click on Publish and return to your home page, and you should be able to see the search box here. So that's how easy it is to create widgets on your team. You could add more widgets. There are a variety of widgets that you could add for WordPress: an image, a gallery, menu, pages, forms, and etc. You could even add a video.